Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about what is inventory control, what are its functions. Inventory means maintaining a stock of materials for a specified period of time to ensure the uninterrupted services or stock out of materials. So the essential supply of materials must be ensured. This is called as inventory control. Inventory control means stocking adequate number and kind of stores. So kind of means all the required materials should be stored in a adequate number. Enough quantity of materials must be stored so that the materials are available whenever required and wherever required. Okay, so there is no stock out of materials. Okay, whenever it is needed, there must be enough quantity of supplies must be maintained. So the scientific inventory control results in optimal balance. Optimal balance here is no too much of inventory, at the same time no stock out of materials. So enough materials is always available. The functions of inventory control are: it is more economical to purchase an item on demand than to maintain an inventory. Okay, if you maintain a large amount of stock of material when the demand is less, it is unnecessarily you are investing more amount on purchasing those material. So those materials can be purchased based on the demand. Okay, if the demand is less, you can also purchase less. Okay, so that you can meet the demand. Unnecessarily overstocking is not a economical activity. So this inventory control helps in maintaining more economical to purchase an item based on the demand for the particular item. At the same time, a certain minimum amount of each item must be held to minimize the chances of total stock out. Okay, so even though it is based on a demand, okay, there must be a minimum stock that should be maintained all the time for all the materials. So there should not be any chances of total stock out. Especially in hospitals, all the required supplies, medicines should be available at least for the minimum quantity. Okay, then inventory control helps in maintaining optimal level of idle resources at least possible cost, then to provide maximum supply service consistent with the maximum efficiency and optimum investment, to provide a cushion between forecasted and actual demand for a material. So always there is some difference between a forecasted value and an actual demand. Okay, sometimes the actual demand would be more than the forecasted. So if you maintain a minimum at least a minimum amount of stock always, so these differences can be easily eliminated. So it will act as a cushion between the difference between the forecasted and actual demand for various materials or equipment in the hospitals. Okay, thank you.